Hey Lianja guys, this is Herb. Just wanted to spend a minute going over troubleshooting using the debugger. I actually have a problem here, so I figured I might as well figure it out while I'm showing it to you. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I have an interactive change on this log grid over here. I could show that to you. This grid over here is called log grid. So let's go to the edit section here. I was looking for it before, but I didn't find it. Okay, log grid. And what I do is I put all my delegates kind of at the bottom. So this is called log grid interactive change, and the proc is log grid underscore interactive change. That's the function that I'm looking for. All right, let's go find that function. Okay, here's the function. Okay, so I'm taking the first and second rows of the grid, and I'm calling a proc called update skip num. Now, it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the proc update skip num, which I went on to. I already have it here actually. Oops, let me go back. Sorry guys. And I'm just going to put a set step on. Now what's that going to do is going to automatically kick off the debugger right from that period of time, so I can figure out what is going on. So I'm going to save that. I'm going to go back to my form. Right, I'm going to reload my grid here. It's shot 100. I'm going to go to that's what I was working on. And I'm going to change this to 25 because that's what I want to do. Now, I'm actually kicking this off, calling a proc and sending it to SQL Server. So this all's got to work together. All right. So now, after the set step on, I'm at the point where I want to be. So I want to look at these parameters. This shot, I'm going to click down here. I'm going to add that to the watch list, and then this skip, I'm going to add to the watch list, and I'm going to see what's the problem. Okay. Now I'm going to step into the next thing. Well, I found my problem already. So this shot is character 100. That's what I expected. This skip should be 25, but it's not. It's blank. So this skip is blank. So if I come down over here, I have a value here. It tells me what type it is. I have a character value here, and there's nothing here. So there's something wrong with this skip. So now I know where I need to focus in on. So I can actually remove that. Oh, I can't do it here. I'm going to stop the debugger. I'm going to close it up. I'm going to come back and look at my code and see what my problem is. Alright, log grid interactive change. So this skip is a problem, and that's looking at matchback log grid active row, comma 2. Well, there I have my problem. The second field is empty with the third one I was trying to change. Right, so status is the second field, skip num. So I made a mistake here. So I need to send that, I need to make that a 3. Save that. I guess we'll keep the set step on so we can just watch it work. Let me reload my grid. These are called shots. So I'm going to go shot 100, change the skip num to 25, hit the enter button. Alright, now let's add this watch back, and add this skip back. I'm going to step, and now I have my values. Okay, so that was an easy way to figure it out, but the point being that using set step on is easier for me. I don't have to open a file and put a break in there. I know people like to do that and toggle it. I kind of like to use set step on. So this has helped me figure it out. I hope that was helpful. All right, thanks, Herb.